Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to solve a system of equations graphically. So I have these two linear equations and I'm looking for where the two lines intersect. For the record, I wouldn't normally solve this graphically. I think it would be really easy to solve this by just making 2x minus 5 equal 1/2 x plus 4. So solve it using substitution. But it tells me to solve graphically, so I will. I'm going to do this on my TI-84 to demonstrate how to do that. So I get out my TI-84 graphing calculator. Step 1, turn it on. On. Yes, on. Okay. And step 2, I'm going to push the y equals button. And I'm going to enter the first equation, y equals 2x minus 5. 2. And the x is this button right here, x comma t comma theta comma n. X plus minus 5. And I can either just push the down arrow to go to the next line or press enter. It doesn't matter which. The second equation is 1/2 x plus 4. I can enter 1/2 by pushing alpha y equals and press enter. And I push 1 and the down button to get to the denominator, 2, and the right hand button to get out, 1/2 x plus 4, enter. Okay, so I've entered the two equations, and now I'm going to push graph, this button right here, graph. And it will graph the two lines. My goal is to figure out where the two lines intersect. So to do that, I'm going to choose this calc function right here, just above the trace. So I push second, calc. And I want number 5 intersect. So I'm going to either scroll down, using the arrows, I can scroll up or down, or I can just type the number 5, intersect. Now the calculator is really smart, but not as smart as you might think. It doesn't know which two lines I'm referring to, even though there's only two lines. So I have to tell it that I want this first line, and I just can move this cursor around. It's guessing that I want this line, and I can kind of go back and forth between lines by pushing the up and down arrows. It doesn't matter which one I choose first for the first curve, so I'm going to put it on that curve and press enter. And now it says second curve. So I'm going to put it on the other line and press enter. And of course it's quite obvious, but if we had 3 or 4 lines in this graph, then it would be useful to be able to choose the two curves. Now it says guess, and again, it's only really one answer, and I could just push enter and it would find the answer for me. But if I had multiple intersections, I would have to give it a clue about which intersection. So it's just kind of a habit of mine. I'm going to scroll that cursor using the right hand arrow button to close to where they intersect, and I press enter. And it tells me that they intersect at x equals 6 and y equals 7. So on my paper, the answer is 6, 7. And I can check that. If x is 6, 2 times 6 is 12. 12 minus 5 is indeed 7. And if x is 6, 1/2 times 6 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. So 6, 7 works for both. If this were an exam, I might want to show my work. So all I'm going to do is just copy a sketch of what I see. So I can see one line is intersecting at 0, 4. So I'm just going to draw a quick sketch, and I draw 0, 4 and 6, 7, something like this, and the other line looks something like that, and I'm going to indicate that intersection point is 6, 7. So that's an easy way to show your work. Just sketch the graph that you see on your calculator, okay? And